y'all, welcome to another beautiful hot summer day here at the Creative Grassroots Garden. If you're new to my channel, I'm Jen, located in Growing Zone 9, Northeast Florida. Today I wanted to share a quick update on the progress a few of my melons have made. This first variety is called a Snow White Watermelon, and it's producing some beautiful healthy vines and melons. The Snow White Watermelon is an early variety, generally taking between 80 and 105 days before bearing fruit. Melons are ready to be harvested once the closest tendril to the melon turns brown and dries. This is the closest tendril to this melon, so once this tendril goes from green to brown, the melon will then be ready to be picked. The tendrils on this first melon is completely dried out, and I'm going to show you the difference between the two. I hope y'all can see this on camera, but this tendril is completely dried out, which is a great indication your melons are ready to be harvested. These fruits have a smooth round white skin and grow to a medium size, and weighing an average of 11 to 13 pounds. Here I have my sugar baby watermelons growing, and they've been quite productive. Watermelons are a summer crop and definitely need the sunshine to thrive. But I do like to experiment and wanted to try growing them in partial shade. These melons are growing vertically up a cattle panel. The outcome's been kind of surprising. The plant's still managing to produce fruit. But a few of my melons were taken by raccoons. Over here in the garden, I tried growing melons in my containers, and I did not have the best luck. When gardening in a container soil will dry out much quicker than that of a garden bed. I believe water inconsistency and high temperatures played a huge part in these melons not thriving. Here I have some more damage left behind from raccoons. The sweet aromas that the melons give off is what attracts the wildlife. So I'm going to save what's remaining from my compost. Over in this garden bed, I have my honeydew melons growing vertically up the trellis. I can't wait to give these a try. This softball-sized melon had fallen off the vine before being ripened. It's called the Golden Midget Watermelon, and this melon has some beautiful colors. So now it's time to give a few of these a taste test. If you're interested on growing any of the melons I've listed in today's video, I'll be sure to leave a link down below in the description. These are such beautiful colors, and the fragrances coming off the melons are super sweet. They taste so juicy and delicious. Definitely worth growing. Next up, it's time to give one of my sugar baby watermelons a try. Sugar baby watermelons are said to be loaded with flavor and a classic watermelon taste. They smell wonderful, crisp and fresh. These melons are great additions for any summertime garden. If you're thinking about adding melons to your garden, I would encourage you to do so. They've been super easy to grow. If you have any questions or comments, please drop it down below. I'm Jen from the Creative Grassroots Garden, and I'll see y'all next time. Have a beautiful day, everyone.